guys, how's it going? This is Karan. Welcome to the SNG Tuesday podcast, and with me is the cast of a movie I've been waiting to see. I'm dying to see this movie ever since the trailer dropped last year, and I've been reading all the reviews from Sundance Festival. You guys have been compared to, like, for example, Deadpool, the Indian Deadpool. I'm sure you're sick of hearing this, but I'm personally super excited to see you guys in Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota. And the trailer looks really cool, and I'm sure you guys are excited. I mean, so you guys are like, he's like, Gulshan's like, yeah, been there, done that.
हाँ है
रोज का है
नहीं डबल रोल पहली बार है
अच्छा पहली बार.
By the way, did you just say Sundance?
Sundance. Did I say Sundance?
It's Toronto Film Festival.
Just a little attempted.
Oh. For a second I thought I did because I tend to chew words. So the topic of the day, guys, I thought it would be really interesting to discuss who or what are the vigilantes India really needs, since this movie is a vigilante movie.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, like, so off the top of my head, if I can get the ball rolling, I thought fake news man is a vigilante like India could really use at this point. I mean, anytime some uncle sends you a WhatsApp forward, he just shows up and zaps it and it just disappears off your phone. You can't forward it anymore. I think that's something that maybe that can be a.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Mine is also, I think, related to social media, because I really feel that I come from an era also where there was no social media and your voice didn't really matter. And now every voice matters and all.
Yeah.
I think there should be a vigilante who will hack into everybody who's writing all sorts of shit and make it all love messages about autocorrect.
So basically like a social media Cupid.
Captain autocorrect.
Yeah. No, because everyone's like, I hate you.
Yeah.
Maros are going,
I love you,
but not like that.
Maybe like that.
I totally agree with you.
Maybe like this.
Maybe on these terms, then there could be a vigilante that tells or shows the people what they need to see and need to hear instead of what they want to hear. Because truth is important.
Truth is important, but I love that part of positivity. I think social media. I mean, I'm in the middle of it constantly, and I've had lots and lots of battles with people.
Yeah.
And I have to be honest. 10 years ago, 11 years ago, or maybe 9 years ago, it was fun. It was really fun.
Yeah.
People would go back and forth, and we would leave not feeling like crap.
Yeah, exactly.
But now, and you guys are on your way to getting trolled. At some point, there's going to be a Miss Manani article saying, you would not believe how this person took this person down and broke the internet. It's going to happen.
Correct.
And that now it's become where it's a cesspool. It's become so negative, and politics has become a big part of it. But have you guys faced that yet? Have you guys had to? I know you had to face for sure. But have you guys?
I mean, I get hate messages from all her fans.
Why?
I get death threats
from dudes.
Yeah.
Oh, you're hanging out.
उसके पास नहीं बैठने का.
मेरी बहन लगती है.
I got. तेरी बहन है.
Radhika Madan Worldwide Fan Club, Radhika Madan India Fan Club, Radhika Madan Batinda Fan Club, Radhika Madan Indonesia Fan Club.
What is this?
Radhika Madan Fan Club, Rads Madan Fan Club.
So I think we need another vigilante. We need to find and unify all these people. One fan club.
That's my vigilante.
Wow.
Consolidate करो, बहुत fragmented.
जो भी है तो मतलब okay, so I haven't faced that yet.
Because you have only fans. How will you face any trolls?
मत 2 फिल्में रिलीज हुई है. Already she has some 2 million followers.
See, this is the नाइंसाफी
मेरा
guys.
एक बना था जब मैं पटाखा में मेरी बीड़ी के साथ वो था, एक बीड़ी वाली मेरी फोटो थी और साइड पे वो मुकेश की फोटो थी. इसको मुकेश नहीं आता
हाँ वो जो
तंबाकू वाला
वो निकाला. Oh my god. Now we're going into depression now.
So please, yeah.
So this is the problem, guys. We have to work hard and do all this, and then people will maybe appreciate us. But girls are like, put a photo, 5,000 likes. I have to be funny. I have to really try to be funny. So maybe we need a vigilante that evens the odds.
Sorry, इसके fans सब.
Would you guys trade? All your fans go to her?
No. मेरे पास एक fan है, मैं लेके आया हूँ.
अच्छा. So Radhika, if you had to pick a vigilante that you really need personally in your life, what would you need? We have fake news man, but is it
just something to do with the clothes? Yeah, I'm tired of the trends and all those things. Ki this is in and this is out. Just wear normal clothes and just get out of the house, yeah.
So maybe a guy who just shows up and says, "Ye pehno."
Khatam.
It's on your bed.
Decision made.
What do you get? That is
that's
exactly.
one thing I miss of school, yaar. School.
Uniform पहन के जाओ यार, सोचने का ही नहीं है.
It was even jute, everything.
और तब लगता था कि ओ गॉड हमारे घर के कपड़े कहाँ हैं.
And now,
So another
बेवकूफ लोगों के बीच में
another vigilante that I think would be great is someone who just fixes the road.
fixes the road.
Yeah, roads,
Active.
traffic.
तो ये BMC का काम कोई सुपरहीरो करेगा
अभी क्या करना
ये
पड़ेगा यार?
Israel है.
Wait, so actually, let's not talk about BMC right
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
They are
it's like-
under fire, big holes in their in the leadership. So actually, let's go back to the positivity part. I
Yeah.
find it really interesting because I you know, especially Twitter.
Yeah.
Are you guys all on Twitter?
I
Yeah.
cannot bear. Okay, I'm there, but I don't go there because it's like too much of.
Yeah. The problem with Twitter is like, you know, what he said. It gives everybody a voice, even stupid people.
Yeah.
And you know, I think about it all the time. Like, you know, are we that stupid as a civilization? We've always been stupid, but now we have cell phones with cameras on them. That's become the problem. I mean, I know I was watching TikTok videos, not to diss TikTok or anything, but I don't know if you guys have seen this. Have you guys seen this? This
Yes,
phenomenon?
रोने वाला.
Oh
yes,
my
I've seen
god!
it, I've
Like,
seen it,
क्या
I've seen
हो रहा
it.
है? Gulshan is nodding his
I
head.
haven't seen
No.
this. I haven't seen this either.
You haven't seen this?
No, no,
Okay,
I
so,
haven't
so
seen
please.
Okay, so एक होता है कि the song is playing, okay, and
हाँ.
everything. So ऐसे करते तो the person is laughing, and ऐसे करते तो उसका आंसू गिरता है.
You haven't. This is like you guys are completely like no idea what this is.
Talent, yeah, talent.
So people are making it. So TikTok is basically like it's become this crazy phenomenon.
It's like an app.
It's an app. It's like an Instagram, you know. And and what's happening is people are using it to do fake suicide videos.
What?
Yeah. So where they play the sad songs and jump off bridges. It's not really a bridge. And then girls will come running, going and then they do this thing where it's like I'm smiling, then I'm crying, and smiling,
So
and I'm
it's
crying.
like a therapist app.
For whom? Because when I watch it,
No,
For
it's, you know, it's great. It probably will dissuade them from like a fake suicide is better than the real one, right?
wow,
That's
I
heavy.
never thought that's deep, man.
Yeah.
That is like next level, yeah.
Yeah.
तू
That's
सोच क्या है सब?
Yeah.
Although some people do deserve to
What?
Oh.
Complete the sentence. Complete. See, actually, that's a
try and fly.
Speaking of mental health, I think that we need a vigilante who actually, because mental health is a problem in
It's
our
a
country.
very,
It is,
very
it is.
But you know, thing is, in Hindi, we don't have words for mental health. We say pagal.
हाँ.
Okay, therapist जा रहा है पागल है क्या? So I think we need a vigilante to sort of make this okay. You know, like we get chicken pox होता है, measles होता है, you know, बुखार लगता है, तो people have a mental health problem
Yeah.
too. I think we need a vigilante to make that okay.
How about a superhero that's just an idea that doesn't really exist, but it does?
Surya.
And but what does the superhero do then? What is his?
What's the power?
वही ये सब mental चीज कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा, so he comes in like
मतलब उसकी कोई
इसका दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है.
fire कुछ नहीं है. It's like
she wakes up happy. He basically has like serotonin shots and he shoots
you
serotonin
don't
in their
know
heads.
what's the sex of the superhero. Is a man, woman, is omnipresent like God.
And just and shows up and makes people happy.
Yeah, or doesn't show up. Just people get happy.
So this is exactly like the social media thing
But
then.
it's an idea.
Yeah, I love the idea of
मतलब
happy.
just get idea.
वैसे तो बहुत सारे फालतू के ideas हैं ना दुनिया में.
हाँ, वो तो.
तो
But
ये
this,
एक अच्छी idea.
but this idea now, you guys have this film that you guys haven't, you know,
Yeah.
it's been in your lives for some time now. And
Yeah.
when you guys heard the concept for the first time, what is the first time you heard? I'm just curious. We're talking about the film for a second, but what was it like? Hey, here's a character. Here's a movie about a guy who can't feel pain. And what was the one liner you all were told?
I mean, I was told the disease, and that it's an actual disease. First, I was told that,
Okay.
and then I was explained. So then I was like, okay.
Okay.
And I went through it with ease because I realized that it's a real disease.
हाँ.
And then he told me it's a martial arts film. And
Did you actually have to do all
Most
the
of them.
jumping and upar niche?
absolutely, all the stunts. There were no body doubles, no
Yeah.
wires,
Everybody.
no
You also-
everything. Yeah.
Everybody.
तूने भी क्या?
एक टांग से.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
हाँ.
अरे वाह, मुझे देखना
One
पड़ेगा.
leg at this guy. See the poster.
Guys.
एक टांग गायब है उसका.
मैं देखने वाला हूँ. I'm going to take a screenshot in slow mo. I'll send it to you then.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So you guys, was this a part of the whole thing that hey, अगर we have to do this movie, it's a lot of action and you guys have to do it.
Yeah.
Yes,
Was a
yes, this was the
requirement.
condition वो
Yeah.
वासन सर ने बोला था because उनको एक ऐसी मूवी बनानी थी जहाँ पर ना लोग रिलेट कर पाए. यूजुअली हम एक्शन फिल्म्स देखते हैं, कोई भी उठा लो जो हमारी बॉलीवुड की है, तो हम हमेशा देखते हैं बोलते हो ऐसे, लेकिन हम थोड़ी कर पाएंगे. सो हिज मेन मोटिव वाज कि पीपल should feel like कि यार सीखता हूँ.
Also, there's the difference that in the shot taking when you can see the actor's face when they actually get hurt or when they actually
Yeah.
fall.
Yeah.
You know, so that's the difference which makes.
Also, it ruins the illusion, right? When you see those slow mo shots and you see, hey, it's somebody else.
हाँ.
You can tell, right?
Yeah,
थोड़ा बहुत
yeah,
है, and
yeah.
you lose the illusion. You know, okay, we all know it's a film.
Yeah.
But you want to forget that. When I'm
It's the
sitting in the
illusion.
theater, I want to
Yeah.
forget. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's when the filmmaker is successful, when you forget
Yeah.
that.
So that's so this now speaking of vigilantes, it seems like you guys went through a lot of training.
Yeah.
And so was this one person training everybody or how?
So we had many trainers.
Many
I
trainers.
had multiple trainers because I trained
I
with
had
them.
physiotherapists.
ये तो मसाज कर रहा है.
मेरी टांग की ऑपरेशन हुई थी 2 महीने पहले ट्रेनिंग शुरू करने से पहले so I really needed the doctors to take care of me and they trained more. There was this guy called Pratik Parmar who trained us.
Yeah.
So
we all
about for 4 months,
before a single shot.
3 days a week. They used to run every day. I couldn't train every day. I was just like.
You think you guys can maintain this now once the film's done with? You're like going to maintain this like crazy workout?
Yeah, man. Boxing,
गया
MMA and boxing, I kept it on. I go to the same place where we were training. It's a different trainer, but the same space. I don't know what she's doing, but he's kept it up for sure.
No, I've also kept it up. Abhi I've started after Patakha because I had to lose weight, so I lost weight because of martial arts.
Yeah, she had become nice and gold matol.
Yeah, 12 kgs.
You lost all for the role?
No, I gained 12 kgs for Patakha.
Oh,
I did Patakha after this.
Oh, okay.
So Patakha is
the timelines.
my second film. So
Okay.
I had to lose it. So I did martial arts and then I lost it all.
So this is, I think we need a superhero can make this happen for you guys because as actors, I think you guys constantly will have to. You may have to put on weight for your next role.
I do.
Oh, you have to.
Yeah,
He's in the
7
process.
kgs.
He's been eating more.
तो अभी क्या तू लड्डू खा रहा है क्या कर रहा है?
No. It has to be clean gain.
Clean
Gain.
मेरा गन वाला था. मैंने क्या खाया है यार?
She must have gone to like चाट लाओ चाट पानी पूरी
I
लाओ.
used to wake up to ऐसे milkshakes and 6-7 रसगुल्ले and life.
Wow.
भाई पता चला complexion कहाँ से आया?
रसगुल्ले.
We have as Bollywood Gandu, I made a lot of fun of a lot of people because traditionally things are changing.
Yes.
And with films like this, because traditionally it's been like this sort of nepotistic.
Go ahead. Start with
Yes.
that topic. Start with the favorite topic.
I mean, listen, I'm going to go because you guys can
See,
cut
like
me
I
off.
just said, people need to. So there's a difference between what people need to see and what they want to see. Now that is a question what they want to see, but what they need to see is the truth, which is best, the only debutant to ever win an international film festival award. So there's the
Yes.
difference. So there's the difference.
Patches under the
I mean, I
patches.
have to since everywhere I go, that's all they want to talk about. But the truth is that this is my background,
Right.
You know,
Absolutely.
not that. So
Absolutely.
that's-
No. That's why I want to get back to it because I think things are changing, and
Yeah.
and like I said, you guys, your film is a part of that change. It is that because it's not. I mean, there's no like, oh, here's a huge star who has 4 Filmfare awards and her grandfather is this and father is this. It doesn't have that drag, and I think the mindset of the audience is changing. Personally, for me, I don't care. I don't. Personally, I don't
It
care because
shouldn't.
I want to be entertained.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm a idiot consumer.
Absolutely.
मैंने 300 रुपए दिए. I want to go for 2-3 hours. I want to lose myself.
Yeah, that's what.
Which is what, and I'm totally expecting to happen by the way.
हो जाएगा.
Guarantee ना?
मतलब लिख लो.
नहीं तो money back.
हाँ, नहीं तो
Done.
I join a fan club also. Bombay fan club. No, because I mean, so I'm sure that when you guys are in this Bollywood press junket question, these are the questions you all already.
Yeah.
Now, have you guys standardized your answers? Like, मुझे पता है क्या क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. You are going to ask me, sir, आपका image, sir. These typical questions I keep seeing at these junkets. So have you guys now sort of prepared these answers? Like, I know what I'm going to say when someone asks me about nepotism. I know
वो
what.
रिफ्लेक्स में ही निकल जाएगा. ऐसे बोलोगे मैं सोते भी बोल सकती हूँ. अब मन्यू का nepotism outside.
So it's great because you guys have to. It's a balance, right? Can't piss off too many people. Got to keep everyone happy on one side, but also have to be.
ये outsider का ना फायदा है.
one second.
क्योंकि ना मैं किसी को जानती हूँ, ना मेरे कोई रिश्तेदार है. मैं कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ और मैं निकल लूंगी.
See, it's about having an authentic expression.
Yeah,
have to be
if you're being
authentic
honest,
to
comes
yourself.
back to the truth.
हाँ.
If you're being true, then
This people pleasing and all the things.
Guys, ये बोलने में अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
Can I tell you something? Honesty does not work. It's
not about honesty. It's
Now
about
I'm just
authentic.
kidding.
It's about
मैं
being
तो
authentic.
मतलब सारे
There's a difference
interviews में
between
बोल के
authentic
आती
and
हूँ.
being honest.
Yep.
And there are
Ha,
times
that's true.
Haan.
I think, but honesty is the one thing that scares the shit out of us as a country. If we start getting honest about how things are, we're like, oh god, okay, we need a long way to go.
Let's show them.
Yeah, exactly. No, but this like talking about like for example the thing that happened at CST the other day, right? I mean, we start looking at like someone put a picture up of another bridge somewhere in Bombay itself. Man, the bridge is like it's like this. There's a middle part that's like this. It looks like it's about to fall apart. So while you guys think, hey, we are being honest, I think honesty comes with a price. So that's a price where I think you guys will have to sort of सोचना पड़ेगा यार. Should I say this or should I not? Should I express myself or should I just?
No, but फिर डर के क्या जीना है?
yeah, I mean,
you guys are now getting into a situation where you all have nothing to lose right now. But
right now.
as you all go aage,
Yeah, it really depends on who you are as a person.
As a
what
person,
you
yeah.
think of yourself as a
Yeah.
person.
Yeah.
That's
And
it.
that's what matters, right? Not what the
Correct.
opinions that other
वो एक
people
गली
form.
बॉय में लाइन है ना कि कोई दूसरा बताएगा कि मैं कौन है. So you should know who you are.
Yeah.
that's why that movies work so much.
Yeah,
That
it's
movies
about
work-
being authentic.
Yeah.
That's why that film.
and also the idea of hope. And I think that's what you guys also have, the idea of hope. Like an average guy
Yeah.
becomes...
Believe in yourself, basically.
Yeah,
You know?
and you want to root for this character. That's why I saw very quickly from the trailer that I want to know like hora kya hai. Like I want to know, even your character.
Yeah.
And that thing, the way the trailer ended, and I love that line when you were like, something about heroine ko kuch karna nahi padta usually. You know that line.
Yeah.
And you're all making fun of yourselves.
Yeah, exactly,
Yeah.
right?
That-
Because I mean, before you said, we had already said it.
Yeah.
So now you come and ask the same question.
Self-deprecating
Like,
humor.
Achha, a question: are you breaking the fourth wall? And you guys break the fourth wall in the movie? Do you guys talk to the? Hota hai?
I
Tu kar
mean,
raha hai?
There are some-
yeah,
there are
yeah,
some-
yeah. There are some.
Yeah.
That's like my favorite thing.
Yeah.
Like I love it. Like I'm a big fan of when Kevin Spacey was doing that show. The one on Netflix, man. Abhi to
House
pata
of
nahi.
Cards.
House of
House of
Cards.
Cards. House of Cards.
And every time he would
House of
look up
Cards.
at the camera, I'm like, shh, chill.
Yeah, chill.
That's
Yeah.
not the only way to break the fourth wall.
How
You
else?
can also break it through sound.
Yeah, through.
How?
I mean,
We'll see.
yeah.
Oh!
I don't want to give it up.
I see what you... Dude, you're totally baiting me. I see. So, bolo.
I'm a veteran at this.
Yeah, I'm like, I want to say it, but I don't want to say it, so I leave this thing to him. Like, he says it in a way that's.
Because people who are watching this are going to be like, मेरे को भी देखना है यार, मेरे को भी देखना है यार, ये कैसा हो रहा है? So now we reviews चलो जाएंगे. Have the reviews come in yet? Like,
I mean, the international, whoever's seen it at the film
Mami
festival.
reviews.
But international they review differently. Our own.
Mami वालों ने कर दिया.
They've
Mami कर लिया.
reviewed it.
Mami
Yeah.
को-
Yeah,
Yeah.
screening था ना Mami
Yeah,
का?
yeah.
At least Rahul Desai's review I read, and there was somebody else on first.
Yeah.
Okay.
They've
3-4
already reviewed it.
people have
But बाकी सब और many people have
Taran
seen
का
it.
है
but
अभी तक नहीं.
They're holding it back.
अच्छा, holding it back.
I have
Holding it
no
back.
idea.
I was curious to see when a movie like this comes, a movie that's not supposed to be like, it's not supposed to compete with guys like Kesari, like Dharma, and I'm always curious to see what the old Bollywood, how they look at it. It's because I feel like we are in an industry, I'll just say it, there's barriers to entry.
Yeah.
If you guys want, like, hey, I want to make a film, like, you won't be able to do it unless you know how to get that done. And you guys are again breaking those molds.
Yeah.
And especially you, the kind of stuff you've done, yaar. In the past, I think you made a proper effort, na, कि मैं ऐसे ही करूँगा.
मैं तो effort ही कर रहा हूँ अभी तक. This is a never-ending fight. You always have to. If you want to be a diverse and versatile actor, it's just so easy. And it's not a criticism; it's just an observation. That you have slotted. This guy likes doing this kind of roles because that's how they see you, and then it's a little short-sighted the way people look at you. But I don't take offense to it, and it's up to me to sort of prove to myself that I have more in me, and I can be a versatile actor and do different genres of films. And if you see the kind of work that I've done, they're all very diverse in terms of genres.
Yeah.
So that's the legacy that I'd like to leave behind when I'm gone.
But see, that's so great to hear because I think even like the A-listers of our industry, they're doing the same thing.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
Copycats, they're copying me.
no, but I think it's a balance, right? Like someone like Alia, right? She will do a Razi.
Yeah.
Then she'll do something. Then she'll do something a little mainstreamish,
Yeah.
right? And that balance is I think everyone is kind of doing that. And
The character leading
Yeah.
like actors.
but we
Performance.
have to do that. We have to have movies like that. We don't have special effects. I know you guys have used some special effects, right?
Not
Not
really.
really.
Not
I had to
really.
remove my leg.
Yeah,
that is
yeah,
it.
that was the.
Achha, that's a.
But वो already
green screen
टूटी
वाला?
हुई थी. वो already
Yeah,
टूटी हुई थी.
green socks.
Green socks पहन के अच्छा वाह.
But वो already टूटी हुई थी हाँ मतलब उस.
He had already injured his knee.
Yeah.
हाँ तो ये कैसे हुआ?
So training ही उन्होंने एक टांग पे की थी.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
This is like.
This is like that was
असली मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता.
Already in the script की वो एक टांग का कराटे.
हाँ
का-
लेकिन
Yeah.
मुझे चूज करना था कि कौन
ये
सी टांग है.
टांग.
राइट नी की ऑलरेडी सर्जरी हो मतलब.
Might as well.
बस.
So I want to now let's talk about acting, okay? Now we talk about vigilantes. Have you guys have done enough work where you guys have acted with the actors who are not good, okay?
Yeah.
I want to. This is no need to take names. We'll do this one of those blind item type. Okay? I am a tutty actor because मैंने किया है सब. I can't. I'll sit behind the camera, direct, write, and all that. That's good for me.
Brilliant man. Thank you.
But I know I am because I can't be anybody but myself.
No,
I
but
have a
that's
problem.
awesome for.
But I want to know as actors, and we're totally going to a different direction. But when you're doing a scene with someone who's not there, like हो रहा ही नहीं है, तो what do you do? Like because I feel like people do that to me.
Can I just say?
हाँ.
After a while, you just can't do anything. You have to work with that person because it's not about you. It's about the scene, and you make that scene work. and you have to be responsible enough and try to accommodate, and you should just do your job.
Yeah.
And sometimes you can't do anything about it.
You're spoken like an actor.
Yeah.
Spoken like not a star.
It's a teamwork.
Yeah.
You're giving your shot, तुम solo ही ले रहे हो, लेकिन वो reaction shot it's to somebody else.
Correct.
I mean there is this idea ना कि अरे वो actor तो मैं तो खा जाऊंगा दूसरे actor को. I feel that's very detrimental because
Very insecure.
आप बहुत अच्छे लगोगे लेकिन वो scene गिर जाएगा.
Yeah.
So you should always work with what you have, and sometimes you have non-actors even. That's even more tricky to work with non-actors.
I don't know. I
Other
think
than
props.
bad actors, like bad actors at least you like कुछ तो करेंगे ना मतलब.
Yeah.
हाँ, bad actors are like, but वो तो ज़्यादा जाते हैं. They go the.
But it's also subjective, you know. Good, bad is good.
I mean, you can tell. And before I got into this, the writing and stuff, things like that, I didn't know because we were fed nonsense as kids. I mean, as a kid, I grew up on movies like Amar Akbar Anthony and stuff like that, and now I watch them, and I'm like, man, this is bad.
Because you try and look for logic.
Yeah. No, I'm not trying to look for logic. I'm just trying to look for
I mean, but you got
sense.
to put it in context. At that time, that was good. At this time, this is
Yeah.
good. You know.
Yeah.
That's the problem when we say it's good for a Bollywood film or it's good for a film in the 70s.
No,
or good
correct.
for the,
Correct.
No, but everything has to be in context, right?
That's true.
A car that's released in 2004 would have been the best car at that point, and
That's
then now
true.
you have another
Not
different
all
technology,
not all
different
the
thought
movies have
processes.
aged well. Some
Yeah.
have aged really well. Not
Yeah.
all the films
Yeah.
have aged well.
I think my favorite is Golmaal, the Amol Palekar.
Arre.
I think that movie
That
has
is-
aged brilliantly.
Yeah.
I have all the
Andaz
Let's see,
Apna
that's-
Apna. Andaz Apna Apna is like.
Yeah.
Well,
Rishikesh Mukherjee.
I have a problem with that movie. I know. I know we're gonna have a fight. I can feel it. Okay, it was extremely overacted. Like.
No, but that's the
But that's the
form.
fun, no?
Come on.
That's the
That's the genre
It's
of that
slapstick.
film.
It's
It
like
is
that.
slapstick
No,
comedy.
that's them trying to do comedy. Comedy doesn't mean
No,
you say
but
something
see,
in a silly voice.
Okay, I really don't know what they were thinking, but when you see it, that's the form. It's like Buster Keaton or Chaplin. It's a form.
Yeah.
You have to submit to that form. It is over the top. It's like Commedia dell'arte. It's like it's really over the top
Yeah.
and loud and very basic. Or like WWE.
Yeah.
It's basic entertainment. Everything
It's
is
kayfabe,
amplified. It's over the top, and it's meant to be that way. And you have
Correct.
to enjoy it like that. It's not supposed to be stimulating or make you think.
Yeah.
That's okay. From that point of view, I get it.
Yeah.
But it was one movie. I mean, it's not like we have a genre of wacky comedies in this.
That is a
I mean,
kind of genre. You
then-
can do it well, and I think Andaz
Yeah.
Apna Apna to a large extent does
I
successfully
mean,
do
we're
that
breaking genre barriers in this film as well.
Yeah, it is.
It's
Yeah,
something
people have
that
told
it's-
us
it's
that it's a
it's the
different
first time
genre.
that you see.
I mean, I'm guessing people are going to laugh a lot, like watching. There's a lot of humor laced into all of it, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
people are
definitely,
really going to
definitely.
love that.
And this irreverence. I think it's a beautiful new thing that's happening now in filmmaking. The idea of irreverence, like not taking it too seriously,
Yeah.
because
Correct.
because traditionally we kind of have, like even movies from last year that we take ourselves really seriously.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
now the patriotism movies are launching, and how's the Josh
Coming back,
And
yeah.
you guys even made fun of that line.
This has to happen. No, in the-
Yeah. I think like the most iconic scene of like the border scene, when
Oh.
Jackie Shroff is like 5 miles in the sky and you're like, hello. You're like, hello. But no, I love
I've
that.
been trying to do that since childhood.
Yeah, every time a plane flies by.
yeah.
अरे करा नहीं मेरे को. Jackie sir.
नहीं भाई दिमाग में सब कुछ दिख जाता है असलियत में कुछ नहीं
हाँ,
दिखता
उसने देखा है।
यही
पिक्चर चलती है यहाँ पे सब पॉसिबल है
तो तुम लोगों ने कभी ये रैप अप कभी किया था शूट? This seems like it's been a
Last
while.
March.
Last March,
2018 March.
So you're all just sitting,
Around this time.
waiting.
I
we've
shot
been-
for Pataka.
We've been traveling around the world, right?
Ah.
For the film. So last 6 months we've been to what 12-15 festivals.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we've sold out everywhere. So it's been a
It's amazing.
कितना सचली इसने बोल दिया ना कि this is
हाँ,
sold out everywhere.
Yes, it's-
On.
It's so
इधर भी
nice.
So
यहाँ पे
nice.
मेरी मामी का वेबसाइट क्रैश हो गया
हुआ था, हुआ था।
हुआ था। क्या
Yeah,
बताया?
of course.
Again, truth.
Wait, really? Because of the
Yeah,
influx of people?
yeah.
for the booking.
देखो हम कितने humble हैं, कितने oh god.
I thought I'd be exactly.
So the thing is,
modesty.
कोई और हमारी पिक्चर के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहा है, हम तो
हम
बात
तो
कर
बात
रहे हैं
कर
यार।
That is true. So anyway, let's quickly wrap up. I know you guys have a lot more other PR events to do.
Yeah.
So is there any? Let's do like a final pitch. Okay, why should people? Let's why should people go watch the? I'm gonna watch the movie because the trailer was just so kick-ass, and every single piece of content you guys have released has been really really fun. And I just love the way the movie's been marketed. I think it's been marketed very intelligently. Only I would say you're up against
केसरी
No, it's not Appa. It's nothing to do with Appa.
Guys, पंजाब नहीं आने वाला.
नहीं, देख भाई यहीं से. इधर आसमान बहुत बड़ा है. बहुत
that's
सारे
true.
तारे साथ में चमक सकते हैं.
Exactly.
That is true. So yeah, any last messages for the
reasons to watch the film. Or
Yeah. What's the number one reason? I mean, I know the obvious reasons. It's the trailers kick ass, but there's something that we don't know yet.
Yeah, one very big reason. Because Bhagyashree son is debuting, so then.
Okay.
Now since no one knows that.
Oh, okay. So for मैंने प्यार किया, Bhagyashree. Oh yeah, she actually went to my school.
Oh.
That's the only I know. Because I remember I was in school and they're like, hey, there's a girl who's a movie heroine. I'm like, what? I went to a school with lots of brats.
उसमें वो गाना था ना कबूतर
जा
इसमें कबूतर आ गया. ये वो कबूतर.
कबूतर, bro.
Thanks so much, guys. It's been so much fun, like learning from what you guys have been doing. We covered a few vigilantes, but ठीक है चलता है. The idea of the podcast is to that we just have a conversation without having it. I'm really looking forward, and I will see. Look forward to the movie, of course, but I'm wondering if I should join the fan club or not after I watch it.
Go for it.
Hey,
Yeah.
early signers will get a T-shirt called Radhika Madan Staff.
Yeah, please, yeah.
Wow.
Then you'll have to work
Master.
for
Hashtag Kajal.
first 3 months it's free. You'll have to work for free.
Achha,
After that,
okay.
if she likes you, then she'll pay
Yeah.
you.
Worth it.
Also, मतलब apart from the reason that he's Bhagyashree's son, you should definitely go and watch this film because it's something which is very fresh. I don't think कि कभी भी ऐसी कोई फिल्म बनी है कहीं पे भी.
You think it's going to happen again? You think there can be a part 2?
It can.
We're hoping.
We're
We're really
hoping.
hoping.
People have.
So,
If it's a good thing, then you should just leave it.
Like it's.
Maybe I think part 2s now they ruin it. I feel sometimes.
I mean that's what we're going to change, right?
हाँ अच्छा this is like
ये तो मतलब अलग ही हो गया.
the most modest cast I've ever encountered ever.
By the way, if nobody believes us, there's Google. You can Google all the reviews and all the responses that people have given to this movie from all the festivals around the world. And make up your own mind.
Yeah.
But guys,
No,
like
but-
we
but
would
the
love
thing is,
if we get your love and ठीक है देश में तो घूम के आ जाते देश वाले कर लेते हैं, but जो अपने देश में प्यार मिलता है तो अलग ही फील होती है.
It's very important to get the feedback from our audiences. We want our friends, family, and our people to go and watch it.
So you guys want to go watch for a screening चुपचाप like ऐसे घुस
हाँ
के?
मैं तो जाता
Yeah,
नहीं मैं
100%.
किसको
चंदन talkies?
चंदन तो
चंदन में केसरी आ रही है.
चंदन में केसरी
अच्छा,
जाते हैं.
I also want to come, guys. I've never watched a
Done.
movie with a cast before. Can I also go?
Come.
Yes, this is it.
Achha, we need good positive word of mouth.
Yeah.
So if
So
you like
please
the film, please tell
go
your
watch
friends
it
and your
and
families.
yeah.
And tell
Awesome.
everybody Dindora Pito.
यार पीटू
Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for taking the time
Thank
out
you.
and talking.
Support the artist.
See you guys next week.
See you. Bye.
Thank you.